Ta-da! Okay, so let's just prepare the things that you will be needing. I usually do this like twice a month because that's the time na I think nagpa-fade na yung color. And my tint really lasts really long kasi whenever I tint my brows, hindi ko din siya nire-rub. Especially using facial wash or the cleanser that I'm using. So yun. So let's prepare the things that we need. So first is this Refectocil. This is the developer. And the Refectocil 3 eyelash and eyebrow tint. So I just mix them all together. I use pea-sized amount of this and then 10 drops of this. And then put it in a mixture. So what I'm using is actually this thin mixture. So I've prepared this already para mabilis din yung video natin. Just have to mix them well. And then I'll go ahead and start my brows. So zoom ko kayo ah. That's my bare brows, guys. Sorry about that. Okay, so I'll start with the pattern that I want. Start with that. So I think I've got my shape perfectly. Now we'll do the other brows. I think it's already proportional. So it's very easy lang if if you've mistaken. You just need to get some Q-tips and just clean the edges. So, since meron na akong guide, I will go ahead and put another layer para mas intense yung color, especially dun sa tails. So, yan, I'll go ahead to my second one and then just have to make sure that it's pantay. see that? Tapos, sa kabila naman, get ulit ng product. Yan. So, as you can see, marami pang natirang product. Tapos, clean mo lang yung fresh areas. So, here's it, guys. We just have to wait until it's already been developed. Update you guys later. Okay? Bye!
One eternity later.
Okay, and it's ready, guys. Okay, so let's show you guys some big reveal. Okay, so here you just need cotton, and then start wiping up. Start with this one. See? So perfect. The other one naman. Wow. Hi. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this. So yun, I hope you've enjoyed this video. This is the final look. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you next time. Goodbye!
And won't you stop the music, get into it, won't you dance with me?